How to download MetaTrader 5 on your iPhone device? Are you guys facing issues to download MetaTrader 5 on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open App Store on your iPhone device. Once you open the App Store, now simply tap on search bar and search for MetaTrader 5. Once you search for it, now click on the second icon where you can see the icon for MetaTrader 5. Once you tap on it, now click on the download icon. After you tap on download icon, your app will start to download. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download MetaTrader 5 on your iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.